If you're seeing an X.com or Twitter age verification error, or you can't access certain content on X, this video will show you the quickest way to fix it on your phone. I'll walk you through the exact settings to check, step by step, so you can update your profile birthday and adjust your sensitive content settings the right way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, tap your profile icon. This is usually your profile photo or the menu icon depending on how your app is laid out. From there, go to your profile, then tap Edit Profile. This is where X lets you manage your public profile details, including your birth date. Now look for your birthday and check that it shows you are over 18. This is really important because some content and features on X are restricted based on age. If your birth date is missing, incorrect, or makes your account look underage, that can trigger the age verification error. Update it carefully so it reflects that you are an adult, then save the changes. Next, we need to fix the content visibility settings. Go back to Settings and Privacy, then tap Privacy and Safety. After that, open content you see. This section controls whether X hides or displays sensitive media in your feed and search results. Here, you want to uncheck Hide Sensitive Content, then turn on Display Media that may contain sensitive content. These two settings are often the key to resolving content access issues, especially if X is blocking posts, media, or search results because it thinks your account should be restricted. After changing those settings, back out of the menus and give the app a moment to refresh. In many cases, the age verification error clears up right away. If it doesn't, try closing the app completely and reopening it, or logging out and back in once the settings have synced. If you still see the error after that, double check that your date of birth is saved correctly and that both sensitive content options are enabled. Sometimes the app won't update properly until everything is corrected and refreshed. So to quickly recap, open the X app, go to your profile, edit your birth date to make sure it shows you're over 18, then head into Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, Content you see, and turn off Hide Sensitive Content while turning on Display Media that may contain sensitive content. That's it. You've now taken the main steps to fix the X.com or Twitter age verification error on your phone. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more quick fixes for X, Twitter, and other apps.